when we get off the lift, this is. This is perfect. Let's just ski this.
Yeah.
For
Liam,
a lot.
are you in the lift?
See, look at her,
Liam,
she's running.
you're at the lift? Hi.
I smell barbecue.
Oh my goodness, barbecue.
Yummy, yummy.
It's so cool.
We're going miles away.
Yeah. Yes, we are. Hi. There's Liam there with his goggles.
It feels like a little more than 9 miles an hour.
Uh-huh.
But I think it'll die down as day goes.
Right.
But look, they got a, look at this, they got to jump into a, look at this. Look, Liam, look over here, look. Look, and they land inside the thing. See that? That's wild. Mommy, you see that?
Uh-huh. Look at that. Look at all the jumps they have.